What a beautiful day! Oh my god, I love this. This is gorgeous. This is at like almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Out for a ride. Just keeping it nice and simple. Chilling out. Just wow. Popo. I'm really enjoying being on a bike, guys. Like seriously enjoying being on the bike. I'm having way too much fun on it. And I'm not being stupid, like I'm not going overboard and speeding like nuts. Just cruising, just relaxing, taking it easy, and you know, just a sense of wow, you know. Hey, look at that. A cloud covered the sun. Aww. But it's beautiful temperature. It's really warm. But the wind is actually really nice. There's a slight wind and it feels very nice, let me tell you. So I'm pretty happy with the wind. I love going into these places where you're just like covered by trees. It's pretty cool. Let's look for something cool where I can take a picture for you guys. Puts the new picture on Instagram. Instagram need new picture. Actually, I haven't posted today. When I'm making this, I have not posted a new picture on Instagram. So we need to find a place where we can post a picture. Take a cool picture and post it for you guys. That's what we need to do. Let's see what we find in here. Ooh, that's cool. Oh my god, this is actually pretty neat. Some idiot's gonna come around that corner quickly. Oh, this is pretty neat actually. You find so many neat things when you're just like exploring. If you stay off the main roads that you always stayed on, you know. Let's go this way. Let's see what's here. I think this is a park. Ooh, big dog. Whoop, there we go. I like to sit up. I put my feet down. I get my butt off the. Oh, it's a golf. It is golf here. Okay, cool, golf. Let's take left. Whoa, there we go. There's a lot of speed bumps here. Whoop. Let's take another left. Whoop. Over the bumpies we go. Over the bumpies we go. What in the world's going on there? I love it. When a bicyclist waves to you, like, that's awesome too. Hey, as long as you got two wheels, okay? I mean, normally I have a thing against bicycles because they don't seem to want to follow any of the damn rules. You know, no helmet, no nothing, blah blah blah, this, that. Ooh, there's a parking lot there. Golf course? Fraser View Golf Course. Well, isn't this something? Okay. So we found a golf course. Da 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 da. This is a golf course. There's golf carts. Ooh. I want to ride. I actually want to drive one of those golf carts one day. I'm probably, with the bike right now, I'm probably disturbing. If I rev this, he's going to miss the shot, isn't he? I'm not going to be that bad. I'm going to just get out of here. Ooh, but that would make a cool picture. I'm going to take a picture right here. Oh, look at this. Oh, that is so neat. So, we're going to take a picture here. See? Told you we'll find a place. It's just a matter of time before we find a cool place to take a picture of the sexy baby. And by that I mean this sexy baby. Look at this. Look how cute she is. Oh my gosh. Awesome. And one like this. Okay, well now we got our picture. Let's get out of this golf course area because, yeah. Although that's pretty cool. We can go in there, play hide and seek with the squirrels. I think they'll win. Oh, keys. La la la. It's a pretty neat area. I actually didn't even know there was a golf course in our area. See, the things you learn riding your bike. Seriously. And how do you figure these things out? By exploring, simply just by, riding. Okay, so which way should we go? I think we should go down. Let's go left. Yep. La la la. That's a pretty neat park, man. It looks like a pretty big golf place too, because I can still see it going there, and that was like way back there where we initially started seeing it. So this looks like it's pretty decent size. To be 100% honest with you guys, I have not the slightest clue whereabouts I am in, like, compared to like my home where I live. So this is fun. I'm actually having a lot of fun right now. Oh, it's got in the grass. Anyway, guys, have yourselves a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever time it is when you're watching this. It's been a pleasure making these videos for you guys. So all I can say is thanks for watching, thanks for commenting, and a huge thank you for subscribing, because I know you will, because I know you want to. You want to subscribe and you want to show that support and give us a reason to keep making these videos. And we promise we're only going to get better for you. So yeah, push that subscribe button, push that like button, and heck, maybe even leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. Tell us how you feel. Because what the... that's cute. Tell us how you feel, man. Alright? Ladies and gentlemen, have yourselves a wonderful time. See ya!